I love food. I'm Italian, so eating is just only my favorite thing in the world to do. I would eat whatever I want and I'd just train and train and train, but I wasn't getting in shape and it was frustrating to me. And as much as I want to ignore the simple fact that it was my diet, I just kept doing it. If you really want to get in shape, it's more so what you're consuming and what you're putting into your body than how much weights you're lifting at the gym. 310 is a great meal replacement. It's filled with plant-based proteins that just eliminates all the garbage that I could be eating. I don't feel like I'm starving myself. I don't feel like I'm giving up delicious food options. I'm always satisfied at the end of every 310 shake. It makes getting in shape so much easier than you can imagine and fun. You're gonna enjoy it. You're not suffering through losing weight. You're gonna love drinking the shakes every day and you're gonna love the results it gives you in the process.